Robots now synchronize movements to match patty arrival. Unwrapping reveals the care and precision behind every burger.
The first bite confirms the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and freshness.
Every great hamburger begins with great ingredients, and it all starts here, at Certified Beef Farms.
Each animal is tracked in real time, ensuring full transparency from farm to factory.
Once processed safely at Certified facilities, fresh beef arrives at the Mega Burger factory in sealed cold chain trucks. Temperature is controlled to within 1 degree Celsius, preserving freshness and flavor. Every batch carries traceable digital identity, ensuring absolute food safety. Robotic lifts minimize human contact, keeping the production zone sterile and consistent. Inside this mega factory, cleanliness is maintained at surgical precision. UVC sanitation eliminates surface bacteria without changing the quality of the meat.
Quality engineers monitor every parameter using data dashboards updated in real time.
In cold storage, beef maintains optimal texture, epitlu, essential for a juicy burger patty.
Only premium-grade beef, processed into industrial blocks, is selected for patty production.
Here, the primary ingredient meets its companions: bread, cheese, vegetables, and sauces.
Every burger bun is checked for shape, color, and moisture level.
Farm-fresh vegetables are sterilized using ozone, a safe and chemical-free method.
Automation ensures every component is handled with consistent precision. Cheese is kept cold to maintain structure, ready to melt perfectly on the cooked patty.
Every ingredient follows its own controlled pathway toward the heart of production.
Only when everything meets the factory's strict criteria does production proceed.
With ingredients prepared, the beef enters its next phase, tempers, precision trimming and grinding. This marks the beginning of transformation, from fresh beef to the perfect burger patty. Once inside the trimming zone, every block of beef is handled with surgical cleanliness. Robots ensure consistency, keeping each block perfectly positioned for inspection. AI systems map surface composition, allowing for precise trimming with zero guesswork. High-precision blades remove only what's necessary, maintaining meat integrity. Everything is categorized for ideal patty ratios, state the secret to perfect texture. Before grinding, the meat is cut into uniform cubes for smoother blending. Cooling ensures the meat structure stays intact and minimizes oxidation. Lowering the temperature improves patty binding and keeps the meat firm. This twin-screw grinder produces a smooth, uniform blend, essential for premium burgers. The grinding process is engineered for consistency, giving every batch identical quality. Next, the mixture enters a vacuum mixer to preserve its natural color.
Seasonings are added within milligram accuracy, flavoring without overpowering. This vacuum blending prevents air bubbles, resulting in a firm, juicy patty.
Every batch is measured to ensure perfect uniformity.
Temperature control keeps the mix cold, preventing texture loss.
Once the blend is complete, it moves seamlessly to the forming line.
The mix is now ready for its transformation into perfect burger patties.
Automation eliminates human contact, keeping the product fully sanitary. Systems monitor weight and volume to maintain precise patty size. Removing air ensures structural stability and prevents patty crumbling.
The controlled flow guarantees each patty receives the exact same amount of beef.
And now, the patties take shape, leading us directly into the forming process. With the mixture perfectly blended, it enters the forming hopper, the heart of patty production.
Rotating paddles keep the beef uniformly spread to ensure consistent pressing.
Each mold aligns with millimeter precision, ready to shape the perfect patty. A pneumatic press compresses the mixture with controlled force, giving the patty its signature shape.
Fresh patties are released without stress, preserving texture and uniformity.
Laser scanners check the thickness, usually around 11 millimeters, for flawless consistency. Only patties that meet exact specifications continue forward. Each patty is weighed individually to ensure it matches the standard 113 grams. Deviation is kept to less than 1 gram, a hallmark of industrial accuracy. Next, patties travel to the pattern roller, adding gentle texture.
These shallow marks help patties cook evenly and look irresistibly appetizing.
Every imprint is identical, thanks to fully synchronized motion.
Before cooking, patties are chilled briefly to stabilize their shape.
The tunnel maintains a frosty -2 degrees Celsius, locking in juices and structure.
Robots place patties gently to avoid deforming their freshly formed shape.
Spacing is optimized so heat can circulate evenly during cooking. A gentle layer of steam keeps patties moist before direct grilling.
Gentle handling ensures the patty's perfectly round form stays intact.
AI checks confirm the patties look identical, as expected in large-scale production.
Only the best patties proceed to the next stage.
Lane distribution balances production, so each assembly robot receives a steady supply.
Hydraulic systems keep the environment stable as patties enter the grill zone. The patties advance through multiple cooking zones, each with precise heat control. The patties now head toward the high-temperature grill chamber. Inside, controlled heat will sear the surface while preserving the juicy interior. This step transforms raw patties into flavorful, ready-to-eat burger components. With patties now inside the grill chamber, the cooking phase begins. Inside this chamber, the cooking process begins with a burst of controlled heat. Dual-sided heating ensures both surfaces cook evenly at the same time.
A caramelized sear begins to form Drand, the flavor signature of a quality burger.
Sensors constantly measure internal temperature to guarantee safe cooking.
Any excess moisture evaporates, leaving flavor concentrated inside.
Uniform crust formation means the heat distribution is perfectly calibrated.
High-end grilling systems maintain a temperature with half-degree precision. The patties now pass into the finishing zone, where flavor intensifies. A final surface press enhances texture and visual appeal.
Natural juices rise to the surface for red, a sign of proper heat penetration.
Quality checks are automated to guarantee every patty reaches the correct doneness. An even heat signature confirms uniform cooking from edge to center. Freshly cooked patties are cooled quickly to lock in juiciness. Rapid cooling stabilizes the patty structure, preventing moisture loss. With cooking complete, patties travel toward their assembly with fresh toppings.
Robots maintain hygiene by reducing human contact to zero.
The atmosphere shifts from heat to precision as patties approach the build line.
The sear pattern reflects the controlled intensity of the earlier grill stages.
And now, these perfectly cooked patties are ready to meet their toppings. While patties cook, the buns are baked to a perfect golden finish.
Heat activates the sugars on the surface, creating a soft, fragrant crust.
The moment buns emerge, steam carries their signature aroma.
Each bun is cut uniformly, essential for stable layering. Cooling prevents moisture from building up and keeps the texture airy.
Vegetables are sanitized using ozone, Azervel, safe, chemical-free, and highly effective. A gentle spin removes excess water while keeping leaves crisp. Tomatoes are cut with millimeter accuracy for consistent bite.
Onions are sliced thin to add flavor without overwhelming the burger.
Cucumber slices add crunch and freshness to the final build.
Cheese is kept cool to prevent melting before assembly.
Visual AI ensures each slice meets color and uniformity standards. Sauces are loaded into precision dispensers for accurate portioning.
The controlled flow prevents spillage and preserves presentation.
Every ingredient converges in perfect timing for robot assembly.
Human supervisors verify every system before assembly begins.
Robots now synchronize movements to match patty arrival. This intersection of ingredients forms the start of burger building. With toppings prepared and patties arriving, the assembly line is ready. Every assembly starts with precise bun alignment. Tavyon, the foundation of a perfect burger. A precise swirl of sauce adds moisture and enhances flavor balance.
Crisp lettuce provides structure and freshness for the build.
Tomato slices add juiciness and color contrast. Thin onion layers provide aroma while keeping the profile light.
Cucumber adds a clean, refreshing crunch.
Cheese is added just before patty placement to ensure the perfect melt. Cooked patties meet the fresh toppings, completing the burger's core.
The patty rests lightly, ensuring even compression without squashing ingredients.
A small second layer of sauce enhances flavor distribution. Chilled top buns maintain firmness until the final press. Centered placement ensures symmetry, crucial for packaging.
A soft press secures the layers, shaping the burger without compressing it.
Rows of completed burgers move forward like synchronized machinery. Volume meets precision, a signature of modern food engineering. AI systems inspect every burger for perfect structural integrity. Only burgers meeting strict specifications move ahead. Trays protect the burger shape before boxing. The burgers now enter the packaging phase, the final stage before shipping.
Every layer remains intact, thanks to gentle, controlled movement.
Image logging creates an archive for quality traceability.
Human oversight ensures reliability across the entire automated chain. As demand scales, the line increases speed without losing accuracy. Next stop, secure packaging for shipment. With assembly complete, the burgers progress toward final protection and sealing. With assembly complete, the burgers now enter the ultra-clean packaging zone. Robots handle each burger delicately to preserve its perfect form. AI confirms ingredient alignment even after placement.
Clear labeling ensures full traceability from factory to consumer. QR codes enable instant verification of the burger's journey.
Tamper-proof seals guarantee the safety of every product. Each box is weighed to ensure consistency across the batch. Multi-angle scanning inspects packaging integrity and cleanliness.
Robotic palletizers begin arranging boxes into stable layers.
Laser-assisted alignment creates flawless stacking precision. Protective wrapping keeps the batch intact during transport. The pallet undergoes a last quality sweep before storage. Only fully compliant batches are cleared for distribution. Automated guided vehicles transport goods seamlessly to cold storage. Cool storage preserves freshness until distribution.
Hundreds of pallets wait here, ready for daily shipments.
Next stop, transportation, Nuchen, the link between factory and the world.
After passing final inspection, each pallet enters cold storage to preserve freshness. Inside, temperature is kept between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius, the ideal preservation range.
Smart sensors report temperature and humidity in real time.
African American male technicians receive continuous updates, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken.
Automated robots transport pallets efficiently without disturbing the chilled environment. RFID verification confirms this batch is ready for distribution.
Temperature-controlled trucks maintain consistent cooling during transport.
Robotic placement eliminates vibration and prevents product shifting.
Cooling system active, 3 degrees Celsius, stable.
Before departure, cooling conditions are confirmed once more. The journey continues as the shipment leaves the facility. Distribution hubs coordinate thousands of deliveries every day.
Last-mile vehicles distribute smaller quantities directly to retail locations.
Finally, the burgers reach store shelves, fresh, safe, and ready for customers.
At the store, customers choose burgers kept perfectly fresh through an unbroken cold chain. With one scan, the entire journey from farm to factory becomes visible.
Retail staff maintain the display to ensure freshness and product rotation.
In fast food kitchens, burgers are chilled before being reheated for service. A quick reheat brings the patty back to ideal serving temperature.
Heat activates the cheese and reawakens the patty's natural juiciness.
Fresh toppings added at the counter elevate texture and flavor.
A precise folding technique keeps the burger warm and intact.
Friendly service delivers a consistent, high-quality dining experience.
The journey continues from kitchen to table, lock, or wherever the customer chooses. A comfortable home setting enhances the enjoyment of the meal.
Unwrapping reveals the care and precision behind every burger.
Steam carries the aroma created during cooking and sealing. The first bite confirms the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and freshness.
Shared meals turn quality food into quality moments. From a state-of-the-art mega factory, all the way to your table.